But I'd like to say that so many years ago when I introduced these two that I never knew we would end up here. Ariele, I've stood by your side in so many party dresses, but this is my new favorite. We decided a long time ago that family isn't always what you're born into. Sometimes it's the family you make for yourself. To TJ, despite knowing you for half of my life as well, I still let you date my best friend. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ariele and TJ, your marriage will be a lifelong promise to love, respect, trust, and honor each other through the good, the bad, and the unexpected.
I promise from this day forward to build a safe and loving home with you, to grow old with you and live a fulfilled life.
I, TJ, take Ariele as you are. I promise from this day forward to love and treasure you the rest of my life.
There's only one thing left for me to do. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.